Singer 29-4 industrial sewing machine from 1921. It's in working condition. Cobbler in Baltimore. I had this in use up to about 5 years ago, doing shoe repair and leather repair. I used it on a daily basis, so it is in working condition. In fact, it's still threaded, however, it's not currently sewing. I will show you that it does run smoothly. I'll take the leather rope off. That needs to be replaced as it's currently too loose, but the treadle base runs well. Comes with the treadle base, obviously. And this is used for heavy duty sewing, including heavy duty denim, canvas, leather, shoes. That's what it's designed for. Has a pivoting area right here. You can see, I'll identify. Release the needle here. Spin this out. See, the sewing action works well. Everything on this machine currently in working order. Could use more of a cleaning. Again, the serial number indicates it's from 1921. See, it runs very smoothly. It needs somebody to own it and treat it with care. Thanks so much for looking. Check out the pictures for a more up close view of this machine. And this is a Singer 29-4, serial number G9616416, I believe, dates it to 1921, with treadle base, working condition. Please bid to make this yours. Thanks for looking.